Here's how to make transparent text in CapCut. Now, if you're in CapCut and you wanted to add text to a video, but you want it to be transparent as well, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's open up CapCut here, tap on New Project, and we're going to choose Stock Videos at the top right. Now, I'm just going to go over to green screen here, and I'm just going to choose one of these green screens. Let's say this one. And now I'm going to take my fingers, and on this video, I'm going to tap it and zoom all the way in so that I can only have the screen on here. Now I am going to hit the back button at the bottom left and tap on text and add text. Now all I have to do is type in whatever text you want to be semi-transparent or fully transparent. I'm going to just type in my name, Trevor Nace, on here, and I'll put it kind of over here. Now, what we're going to do is extend this to the full length of the video, just like that. Let's remove this watermark at the end and hit the export button. So we're going to export it, and then we're going to bring it in as an overlay on another video. So let's hit New Project again and choose the actual video. And I'm going to have this video, and then now I can tap Overlay at the very bottom right, tap Add Overlay. And on here, let's just choose this video I just created. And the cool thing is now I can transition this or put this wherever I want it to be. Let's put it there. At the bottom, I will swipe over until I get to cutout here. Tap on chroma key, and you're just going to select this green and hit the check mark. Why didn't that work? Let's go over to intensity. That's why, because I didn't bump that up. So you can see now I bumped up the intensity and it's removed that entire background. Now I can hit the back button at the bottom left, and I'll swipe over until I get to blend here. And there are a bunch of different options that you can choose to make it sort of transparent. So let's choose filter here. You can see what that kind of looks like as you go through the video. You can choose overlay, which is a cool feature as well. So you can kind of have it sort of showing up, but you can see the background in it as well. You can do lighten, you can do hard is another one where you can bump it up or down. You could do burn if you wanted to burn that in there, or to do a dodge. So there are a bunch of different options you have in terms of making it transparent and kind of the look and the feel that you like in your specific video. But then just hit the check mark, and then you can see that it is semi-transparent on there, and you'll be able to watch this video with your logo, your name, or whatever on there. Basically, a watermark on that video. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.